Hey guys, welcome to another reading. So I'm channeling the energy of people where you have been hurt. You tried to reason out things with this person, you tried to sort things out, but this person acted very cold towards you. They were selfish, they walked away. I see the two people, talking, having communication, and one of them is crying, and I think that is the one who is you, where you tried to sort things out, but this person did not really bother about what you wanted here. So let's see what is going on. If this energy resonates with you, maybe there is something about this reading that's for you. Let's find out what's going on with your person. Perspective. 3 cards we will take: healing and emotional storm. So this person did let you go, or they did hurt you, they caused a lot of pain to you, but then now they are starting to see your perspective is what I feel, because they are themselves going through something which is emotionally creating a chaos in their life. Now they are wanting to heal something here. There is something that this person did not tell you, or they were hiding, or that was the whole conversation around that they are being secretive about something. But now they are looking at the possibilities in this connection. They want to make amends. They want to return to your life. Okay. Does this person realize how much they have hurt my viewers? Does this person realize how much negative mindset? See, this person does realize that they have created a lot of negativity around this situation. They're telepathically sending you messages. Their intuition is also telling them they have messed up. They have stonewalled you. They have given you the silent treatment. But this person doesn't really understand. Although this person is trying to understand where you're coming from, trying to gain perspective, but this person doesn't understand that they have done something really wrong to you. In their mind, they are kind of, justifying this entire thing in their head. And that is why this is... there is no solution to this which is coming to surface. Okay, so what is coming up for this connection for my viewers and their person? Divine Masculine. I feel this person is going to man up or woman up, whatever the situation is, and they are going to bring some sort of stability to you. Foundation is the card. So I see some sort of stability coming forward here. Let's see, will they regret their actions in the future? Will my viewers person regret their actions towards my viewers in the future? Hoping. We'll take 3 cards: Clarity and Twin Flames. See, I'm not sure if they are going to regret their actions, honestly, because I don't really sense a regretful energy as such, but this person is going to gain clarity about what they have done. Regret is an energy that needs to come when you have to move past that selfish energy, and I don't think this person is moving past that selfish energy at this point, at least. They do see value in this connection. They do feel very connected with you. They see you as their counterpart and everything, but they're not willing to get out of this selfish mode where they think about how you feel and what you want as well. Let's see, what are the messages from your person? What are the messages from my viewers' person for my viewers? I want you. See, they do want to have you in their life. They don't want to let go of you. But then it's like, it's as per their convenience is what I'm hearing. I miss you, but I don't have time right now. See, they don't have time right now. So you have to decide if, you want to keep waiting for a person who is not prioritizing you. That decision you have to make. But I love you to the moon and back 1,000,000 times. So they do love you, but then they're not prioritizing you at this point, at least. So if you feel you're okay to wait for them, then yeah, you should give it some time. My love for you is stronger than ever. So this person is missing you. They do love you, but they are not focused on what your needs are, what you want, how they can make things better with you at this point. Maybe in the future, but right now I don't see that happening. So that was the reading, guys. Thank you for watching.